Hey everybody, my name is Brillix, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make custom thumbnails for YouTube for free. Let's get right into the video. So the first things first, you're going to want to open up the browser of your choice, and you're going to want to search up canva.com. Once you get to canva.com, you want to create an account right up here in the top right corner. After you create an account, you're going to go to Discover a Magical New Era, and you're going to search YouTube thumbnail. After you look up YouTube thumbnail, it'll bring up a bunch of these custom thumbnails that they're already pre-made. These are going to be paid for, so you will have to buy them. We're going to be focusing on creating our own, so we're just going to click create a blank YouTube thumbnail. After clicking that, it'll bring you to this page right here where you'll see a blank white page, and this is where you're going to create your first thumbnail. Okay, so these are going to be the tools that will help you create the thumbnail. The elements can range from free emojis to little GIFs, logos, pictures, and etc. They allow you to pop your thumbnail out just a little bit more to your viewers. The upload section is where you can upload your own custom pictures to plop them onto your own custom thumbnail. The text tab is important because this is going to be your title and where your audience is going to be reading, so you want to have a good attention grabber. The draw tab is where you can draw pictures onto your own thumbnail if you'd like. The projects tab is where all your projects and or thumbnails will save to after you complete them. The background section can also put free backgrounds onto your thumbnail, or you can buy them if you'd like. We're going to be focusing on the upload and the text mostly in this video. So the first things first, I'm going to go to my upload section because I already have a couple of these little pictures I'm going to be uploading onto this thumbnail. So what I want to do is I'm just going to click my image and just drag it right onto the screen right here. And then I can right click it, and then I can go ahead and click set image as background. And boom, this will be your new background for the thumbnail. After that, I do have a little picture of a guy, so I'm going to just go ahead and plop him on the screen right here at the bottom of the screen. And we're going to go ahead and center him just like that. And like I was saying before, your text section is where you're going to be writing your titles. So you're going to go ahead and click on add a heading right here and just drag it right onto the front of your screen. So for this video, it's going to be how to create YouTube thumbnails for free. So that'll be our title. So after we have that, we can just go ahead and center it just like that. So after creating your title, you actually can go up in the top left right here and click a different font if you'd like. I went ahead and chose Anton just because it looks a little bit better for the thumbnail I'm using. And after you do that, you actually can change the color too. If you go up to here and click text color, you can change it to any color you like from these right here. I'm going to go ahead and make mine black just for now, just so it's a little bit easier to see. And if you do want to make it a little bit bigger, you can go to these edges right here and you can just drag it out just a little bit. Now for our title, I want to make it pop just a little bit more. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and duplicate the exact same title I just did and drag it out just a little bit. But what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to go up to here and change the color to a completely different color. So probably white. And as you can see, now we have a little bit of pop to our title. Now, if you wanted to go to elements and let's say I wanted to add a YouTube logo, I can go ahead and look up YouTube. And as you can see right here, they have a few YouTube logos I can use. So I could just drag it on right to the screen and I could drag it down to size if I want. And as you can see now, we drag the YouTube logo right to be on top of his fingers. Now I'm going to make my way back up to the element section and look for a certain shape that I'm going to be able to write a text into. We found a perfect little shape that we want to use. So now I can change the color to a different color if I'd like, let's say black. And I can make it a little bit bigger by just dragging it, like I said earlier. You know what, thinking about it, I am going to go actually ahead and change the white to make it a different color just because it looks a little hard to read. So I think we're going to go ahead and make it... I went ahead and changed my other title to gray just because the white was making it a little bit harder to read. So yeah, after you guys have your other shape you guys would want to use, you can go ahead and make your way back over to the text section. And you can add another heading if you'd like. For example, I could be putting it's a tutorial or it's in 2023, so I could be 2023 tutorial. Now, I'll probably want to make that white just because it's going to be getting put into a black cloud. So we're going to go ahead and make that white. So boom, after I wrote my other little title, I'm going to put it right into the little cloud right there. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. And I'm going to make this one red just so it has a little bit of a border in the background. And then I'm just going to drag it and put it right on top of that basically. And just drag it to the right just a little bit. And boom, as you see right here, now we have our own custom thumbnail. After your thumbnail is made and you want to download it, you're just going to click share in the top right corner right up here. And you're going to click download. And you are going to want your file type to be a PNG. You do not want it to be a JPG or a PDF. You want it to be a PNG. Make sure the size is 1280 by 720 and click download. After it's done downloading it, it'll be down in your downloaded section right here. You can drag it onto your desktop, or you can put it right onto your YouTube video, and boom, we now have our YouTube thumbnail. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video till the end. If you guys did find that video helpful, then please leave a like down below as it helps me out a ton. Subscribe too, as we're making our way up to 1,000 subscribers. And let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite game is to play. Also, let me know what kind of games you guys want to see me play, or what kind of content you guys want to see me post from now on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Have a great day.